What is in the box? Shoo shoo, shoo shoo. I have another. Okay. What is in the box? Shoo shoo, shoo shoo. Wow. Okay, let's open it so that I will not waste anybody's time. Oh, yeah. I feel good. Yeah, I ordered this one. But not be like so it be for picture. Now what I ordered versus what I got. Not be like so it be for picture, but I don't say na this design. But the way we take there be like something net. Which kind net? See, I made them up for the maybe the parallel. For this one, I ordered big size. This time around, big size. And wait till I order. This is what I bought. Let's just quickly go there. Now, well, it need even the tell the cat to watch off if you don't come good. You call Abby. Abby. Hey. I ordered. See what they put for inside. Hey. All the labels. I ordered this short hair. Okay, first of all, before we try the short hair, let us put our hairnet in our head. Okay. Let us put it very, very well. Let's try the hair. Number one. Woo. They even put they even dash me the legs. Okay, let's do it this way. Oh my God, full moon. I feel good. This is full moon. Look at it. Oh God. Oh God. But okay, I'm going to call it later. Let's try it. Let's try it. I need something. I beg. I need something that I will be using to do my videos. Yes. Wow! You have my African queen. Hey! Girl of my dream. You make me happy and money. Hey! I'm going to call it. Don't worry. When I'm done with this hair will be telling me I feel good. I feel good. So good. Feel good. I got you. Hey, baby. I feel good. I feel good. So I ordered another thing again, another hair. Okay, something simple that I will just be using all the time. Oh, that is, I need to remove my weaving. This one is, you know when you do a cuckoo, when you pack your hair up, then you put this one at the edge just to make it. I feel good. I feel good. So good. I got you. Hey, this is the three things that I saw that they just came hip today. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm going to try them and show you guys one after the other in the future. Okay, just wait. Let me go and dance.